Welcome to the kitchen at Palmer's Progress. Today we are going to bake angel food cake, and the reason is because it is Lily's favorite cake and her birthday is coming just around the corner. Alright, so to start out, we're going to separate a dozen eggs.
Place the egg whites, cream of tartar, salt, vanilla, and almond extract in a large bowl and beat until soft peaks form.
So our family is really into ultra marathoning and whether it's by canoe or skiing
Or whisking.
and we're taking it to the kitchen. So we're using a whisk instead of the mixer today. Are you feeling it? But the satisfaction of reaching the goal here, the peak is very...
Peak bagging.
I feel like Laurel.
Wow, it's really cool. I was excited when we made whipping cream, but this
Okay, your turn.
is a whole nother level. Our forearms are going to be amazing. We should go rock climbing after this.
Okay. Definitely helping.
You know, we should have set a timer to see how long it took for us to get.
But we didn't. Oh, it's like less.
I know, we just need to keep mixing.
Something makes me feel good.
It's like Liam saying, what do you do when you get tired when you're ultra marathoning?
Keep going.
Keep going. This is the ultra marathon of mixing.
baking.
I mean, do we follow the directions and not grease that? What do you think? It just seems like the wrong thing to do. I want to look at some other recipes. That's what we should do. Cross-check.
Do some research. Ready?
Ready. Your turn. Switch.
Oh, whoa. It changed.
Yeah, it's a little thicker.
Ugh.
It says, do not let a drop of egg yolks into the egg whites or it could cause them not to form soft peaks or stiff peaks or whatever. Yeah, it could cause it to not. Just a drop. And I was like, oh, a drop doesn't matter.
What did I say?
It matters. But I think we're gonna be okay. I'm thinking positively. Aren't you? Let's do this. Okay, so there's a couple things about this recipe that when I bake, I always butter the pan, but because this is angel food cake, it needs straight edges, and it shouldn't be a non-stick pan because it climbs up the pan, and that's why you get this nice, fluffy, airy cake. So we'll see what happens. Another science experiment in the kitchen.
The magic is in the details.
There's so many recipes that have practically the same ingredients, but it's just about how you put them together and the techniques you use that creates all these different textures and flavors. Be hopeful. This is your birthday cake. It's gonna be amazing. All right.
Yep.
And I'm not going to butter the pan, even though I really wanted to, because I read 3 recipes that said you're not supposed to butter the pan. So. All right, so now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of the flour at a time and slowly integrate it? Incorporate it, that's a better word. Yes, incorporate it.
Right. And this. And I'm going to.
And it's 3/4 cup of flour, so it won't take too long.
You did give me the spice.
That's true. Slowly, I should have said in a medium speed. Incorporate it. All right, so we have the oven at 375, and now I'm gonna put the batter into our baking pan. And then we're gonna take a knife. Whoa, you wanna turn it?
Yep, sure. I'll do that.
We're gonna take a knife and cut through it to get all the bubbles out. It'll bake for 40 to 50 minutes until it's light brown on the top. All right, our angel food cake is done. It looks a little different than has in the past, but I guess we'll find out more as we open it up. So now it's time to cool.
Alright, I'm going to make the glaze. Now we're going to mix in our confectioner sugar, our butter, and our milk. I'm just going to mix this up until it becomes smooth. We just finished with our glaze, and now we're going to release the angel food cake from its pan. Pressure's on. Alright, so first step in this, take a knife and just scrape along the edges. Alright, I'm going to release it from the pan. This is always a bit nerve-wracking because I don't want to mess up here. So I'm just gonna... It's really stuck. Ta-da! Okay, now I have to put it on here. So I am going to take the knife again and just gently. Thank you very much. Put a layer of this on the top here, about half of it, and then we'll leave the rest for elegance. Alright, I'm just gonna spread this around very gently because this is a very light cake. I don't want to break it.
Wow, that looks so good. I got Laurel to bed finally.
Good.
And I think it's time to have some dessert. All right, it's time to cut the cake. Oh man, I think it's gonna be good. All right, birthday girl. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to subscribe. How's it?
Mm-hmm.